In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase content in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're looking to remove some text to refine a document or delete an image that doesn't quite fit, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's jump right in. Firstly, you'll need to open up the PDF file you want to edit using Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you haven't already done so, navigate to the file you want to work on, simply look for your PDF, double click on it, and it should automatically open up in Acrobat Reader if it's your default application for PDF files. Once you have your file open, you'll need to direct your attention to the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the Edit option. Clicking on Edit activates the Edit mode, allowing you to make changes to the document you're viewing. With Edit mode now active, let's talk about modifying text, a common task when refining documents. Move your cursor to the piece of text you want to remove, click and hold, then drag across the text to highlight it. Once highlighted, you're going to press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will promptly remove the selected text from your document, leaving a clean space for any new content you might want to add later or simply to tidy up your document. Next, we'll go over removing objects or images, which can be slightly different from erasing text. Find the object or image you aim to remove from your PDF. Click on it once to select it. With the object now selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This should remove the unwanted object or image from your document seamlessly. It's as simple as that. For an alternative way to remove an image, let's say you prefer using on-screen options rather than keyboard shortcuts, there's another method. Once you have clicked on your image to select it, look for the trash can icon, which should appear in the options surrounding your selection. Clicking on this icon will effectively delete the image from your document with just one simple click. These straightforward steps are all you need to take control of your PDF content in Adobe Acrobat Reader. By using the tools offered in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can easily remove any unneeded text, objects, or images, ensuring your document appears just the way you want it to. Thanks for following along today. Be sure to practice these steps and refine your skills further. See you next time.